When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start at the bottom line. To write T, go all the way up, then back down, finish with a short line halfway across. Let's see how it looks in a word. Tap is written like this. Date is written like this. Add the line when you have finished the whole word. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital T, draw a line down, then add a short line balancing on top. The word tap with a capital T is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.